also has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bowling Brook, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Bowling Brook, Orland Park, Oak Lawn, Irwin, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Woodridge, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, Midway Airport, Burbank, and Oak Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.